So each quarter, ManpowerGroup asks more than 2,000 employers whether they're going to be increasing their workforce or decreasing their workforce. It's across 9 different sectors and 12 different regions throughout the UK. It's forward-looking, and it's a guide that is used by the Bank of England and the UK government. So as we enter quarter 4 of 2014, we see this cooling down of the jobs market. And it may only be a small cooling, but it is the first time in 3 years since we've seen this dip in hiring intentions across the UK. There are some sectors that remain incredibly strong, manufacturing for example. But equally in Scotland, with the forthcoming referendum, there is this sort of cooling feeling that's happened, and it may be that employers are being hesitant in terms of their hiring north of the border. What we're beginning to see across the employment landscape as a whole is this hourglass effect happening, where we've had a huge increase in hiring, and the most since records began in peaking in the middle of 2014. And what we're seeing now is perhaps this hourglass shape of the employment landscape, with highly skilled people at the top and entry-level people in the bottom, but very few people being employed in the middle of the jobs market. What we're tending to see is a very rapid hiring increase in some of those high demand skills such as engineering, finance, are areas and skills in great demand. But there is a cooling in other sectors and other parts of the employment market. Scotland last quarter seemed to be really rather positive in terms of their hiring intentions. And that might have been because of some of the big summer sports activities that had been going on, such as the Commonwealth Games and the Ryder Cup. But now, as we're very close to the referendum, employers may be slightly beginning to wobble and a bit uncertain about what is going to happen post-referendum date. So, slight cooling there. Who knows? Let's wait and see.